Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. Before we continue, like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share our video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at question number 10 from 2023 NECO General Mathematics Theory Examination, and it says a bucket full of water is 40 cm in diameter in the open, 24 cm in diameter at the bottom end, and 32 cm deep. The bucket is emptied completely into a cylindrical drum of 56 cm in diameter. Find the level of water in the drum to the nearest whole number. Take pi as 22 all over 7. And in this case, we have solution. So here, it says that a bucket full of water of 40 cm diameter in an open. So we have this place as the diameter of 40 cm. This is 40 cm. And also 24 cm diameter at the bottom. If we have the bottom of the bucket, we have our bucket 24 cm. This place is 24 cm. And we join the top to the bottom, and this is a bucket. And also mention that it has a 32 cm deep, which is the height. So from here to here is 32 cm. That is the height of the bucket. Now, we said that the water is filled here in this bucket and was emptied into a cylindrical drum of 56 cm, and we're asked to find the height of the water in that drum. So in this case, we will not be able to find the volume of this bucket, and this bucket, we see that it is a fructum. A fructum is a solid shape that is cut off from a cone, and the lower part still remains a cone. So if we extend this lower part down this way, we have another height as h. We find out that this is a cone that the fructum was cut off from. So now we see that in this figure there is a bigger cone and also a smaller cone. So what we are going to do is to find the volume of the bigger cone and also the volume of the smaller cone. So we subtract the volume of the smaller cone from the volume of the bigger cone so that we will be able to have the height of the water that was poured into the cylindrical drum. We will find out that from this diagram, if you divide it into two, you see that you are going to have a figure this way, like a triangle. It is something like this, like a triangle. So here, when we divide this 40, our D equals to 40, so our R will be 20 cm. So here, our D equals to 24 cm, so our R equals to 12 cm. So here will be 20 cm. Here will be 12 cm. So in this case, our 32 here will be here. That is the height of the fructum. And also here, our new cone will be h. Therefore, we can label this A, B, C, D, and E. For us to find the value of this h, we need to bring the similarity of this triangle. Here, we have two triangles here. A bigger triangle here and a smaller triangle. That means triangle ABE and also triangle CDE. So here, similarities in triangle equals to triangle ABE equals to triangle CDE. In this case, we can have a relationship of the length of each side so that we'll be able to find the height of this small cone. So we have this. In this triangle, we will find the similarities in the length of each side of the triangle. So we have that AB will be equals to CD. Also, AE will be equals to CE. So here, we will have that line AB equals to line CD. And also, line AE equals to line CE. So here is the same thing as AB all over CD equals to AE all over CE. This implies that we substitute the value of all these parameters. Our AB is 20 cm. So we have 20 cm all over. Our CD is what? Is 12 cm equals to our AE. AE here will be 32 plus H. So here we have 32 plus H all over CE. CE is H. So we have H. What we are going to do here is to cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, we have 20 times H equals to 12 into 32 plus H. So this will give us 20 times H will be 20H equals to 12 times 32. We have 384. 12 times H we have plus 12H. So here we collect like terms. 12H will transpose to this side. We have 20H minus 12H equals to 384. 20H minus 12H, we have 8H equals to 384. Therefore, our H equals to 384 all over 8. So the value of our H here, when you divide 384 by 8, will give us H equals to 48 cm. So the value of our height here is 48 cm. So here, what we are going to do now is to find the volume of the bigger cone. So this is the bigger cone and also the volume of the smaller cone. Then subtract the volume of the smaller cone from the volume of the bigger cone. Then we will have the volume of this fructum that was cut off from this cone. So that volume of the fructum will be equals to the volume of the cylindrical drum that the water was poured into that had 56 cm of diameter. So let's clean this other side. In this case, we have the height of this cone, smaller cone, as 48 cm. So the height of the entire bigger cone will be, that is AE. Our AE equals to 32 plus 48 cm, which is equals to 80 cm. That is the height of the bigger cone. Therefore, what we are going to do to find the level of water in the drum, the level of water in the drum equals to the volume of bigger cone minus the volume of smaller cone. We are going to find the formula for the volume of a cone. So the formula for the volume of the cone will be 1 all over 3 pi r squared h minus 1 all over 3 pi r squared h. Let this one stand for the bigger cone and this one stand for the smaller cone. So in this case, we will substitute the parameters for the bigger cone for here and also substitute the parameters for the smaller cone for this formula. So here we have 1 all over 3 times 22 all over 7 times r. R for the bigger cone is 20 cm. So we have 20 squared times h. Our h for the bigger cone is 80 cm. So we have 80 minus 1 all over 3 times 22 all over 7 times r. Our r for the smaller cone is 12 cm. We have 12 squared times h. Our h is 48 cm. So we have 48 cm. So here we can multiply this out. When we multiply this out, we are going to have, here will be 33523.8095 minus 7241.1428. Then here, when we punch our calculator, this minus this is going to give us 26282.67 cm cube. So this is the volume of the fructum, which is the volume of the bigger cone minus the volume of the smaller cone. Is going to be 26,282.67 cm cube. So here, this volume of water from the fructum is going to be poured into the cylindrical drum. Therefore, the volume of the cylindrical drum is equal to the volume of the fructum. So here, the volume of the cylindrical drum, volume of a cylinder equals to pi r squared h. So we clean this. So as we said, this is the volume of the cylinder. It will be the volume of the fructum. This is the volume of water from the fructum will be equal to this. So we have 26282.67 equals to pi r squared h. So this is the same thing as 22 all over 7 times r. Our r, we take it from the diameter of the cylinder, which is 56. So our r will be 28 squared times h. So in this case, we have 26282.67 times 7 equals to, when we multiply this out, we are going to have 17248h. So here, our value of h, we divide all through by here. So we have our h equals to, when we punch this one out, we are going to have 183978.69 all over 17248. So we punch this, we are having H equals to 10.666 cm. But our answer says we should leave it to the nearest whole number, which is equals to 11 cm. So our value of H, the level of water that was poured into the cylindrical drum, was 11 cm. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.